But I went over to Ipsita and Tarana's truck, and they're visibly a little tense because German cuisine is not their forte. From what I understood, it didn't come naturally to them.
It's not an easy thing to, I think, conquer. They wanted Spanish, and they had the disadvantage, and hence had to go with German food.
Yeah. I think the girls have heart.
Yes.
I think we're going to see something interesting.
Yeah.
And they've never disappointed us so far.
Right.
I think they will not disappoint us now as well.
Ipsita, Tarana, Akansha, and Nishtha, you have exactly 20 minutes left. There might be a minute of injury time, but that's about it. Half time is around the corner. You girls should be finishing up. Pace yourself really well. You do not want to leave the crowds hungry.
No, like you can come.
So what time will it be ready?
Probably 15-20 minutes and more.
Hi Nishtha, hi Akanksha. As you can see, the fans are getting really hungry, and I just hope your plate comes together properly because you only have 15 minutes left.
Yes, yes.
So get that cracking, get
Yes,
your
chef.
ideas together. Don't think this and that.
Okay.
You've got 4
Sorry?
elements, just do that.
Okay.
Hi girls.
Hi.
Good evening. How's the pressure?
Hi.
High pressure. So you've got Germany and you just don't want to do a simple cheese ham sandwich, right? You want to do something which gives you that gourmet food truck experience. Don't forget that. So how are you going to do that?
We're making a potato salad on the side with some like mustard flavor.
We are adding some caramelized onions in Worcestershire sauce.
Okay.
And along with that, we are adding some mushrooms in it in the same way, caramelized
And are you
mushrooms.
toasting your bread?
Yeah.
Okay, so you've got a lot of work to do and you've only got 15 minutes. Concentrate, focus, and get those plates done. Taste everything. Great? See you, girls.
Girls, you have 20 plates to make and 10 minutes left. Let's pick up the game.
Hello, girls. You look busy. Yes, and it smells good. Is there any twist to the tartar? Are you making something interesting?
Tartar dip is done by Akansha.
Chopped some radish, onion, lemon, and cucumber.
Okay.
That, and the mayonnaise, and salt and pepper.
So it's like a classic recipe also. Do you want to consider...
I'll just add
do-
some dill in it.
Yeah, just twist it up. You know, make it sound more interesting,
Sure.
taste different, you know. Yeah, great. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
In the previous round, I was in the elimination round because I did something more. So I wanted to stick to the basic and just elevation a little bit, incorporating some more technique. So that was the basic idea which was in my mind.
Hello, ladies.
Hello.
What's cooking?
We have some mashed potatoes, well, potato salad.
A potato
add some-
salad
yeah.
or a mash?
It's like a salad, like a
It's like a
chunky,
salad.
because it's not a mash completely. Do you want to try some? With a little bit of mustard. Put some yogurt in it, we're thinking, so it'll add
Seasoning.
some seasoning, more seasoning, yeah? Okay.
Just think about whether you want to push that potato salad a little further, you know. Something innovative in it that's out of the box, you know. Something that gives you an edge, which is not just like a simple potato salad, but what else can you do with it? I'll leave you with that.
Shagun didn't like the texture of what the potatoes had turned out, but we were trying to keep it into a chunky mash, which doesn't work for everybody. I understand that.
So I just came back from the food truck behind us, and I was chatting with Ipsita and Tarana. And, you know, they're making this potato salad, almost a mash. I don't know, it's a mash or a potato salad. Something confusing. But when I tasted it, it was a bit dry and under-seasoned. So I told them that they need to fix it and probably do something to it again. Just find something that make it exciting, not just some potato salad. I mean,
I don't mind the mash, but if it's like mashed potato, yeah, then we have a problem, right? But my fear is they're going to make the same mistake they made last time, which is put too many things out there, dilute their efforts, and not really focus on what they should be really focusing on. You know, and that I don't want happening Fingers crossed.
And when I went to Nishtha and Akanksha's truck, and my question was the same, you know, how are you elevating it? What are you doing to it?
So that's what I said to them as well. We want more. I mean, how are you going to take that tartar sauce and make it to the next level?
I don't think if it's elevated enough. I mean, for them it's food, for us it has to be gourmet.
Absolutely.
And I hope they haven't forgotten that, because I'm a little worried about that.
Fingers crossed
Let's
there
see.
too. I think that's the theme of the day.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
It might be a food truck challenge, but we want gourmet. 5 minutes to go.
I like to keep the plating really on point and simple. I don't really like to add a lot of elements on the plate. So my idea, the first moment that I knew that I'm making it for a football team, I thought that, you know, it should be something that one can grab on and just sit with the bunch of other people and munch on. But along with that, mashed potatoes in itself, the salad, which Ipsita was onto, and she wanted to add the fresh element because she knew that, you know, German food is about fresh. She made a fruit salad in the side.
Time has run dry, my dear ladies. It's time to do your final plating and clean your stations. A minute is left. Go for it.
Let's go, ladies. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
वो बाद में कर ली, वो उनके लिए जजेस की 3 प्लेट बना दे आकांक्षा प्लीज.
Girls, the game is over and you have the whole village of Nagao waiting to taste your food. You have the footballers, the supporters, they're all waiting to eat all you've cooked. Have your game faces on and your game starts in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Don't forget a magnet.
Please vote for me, na? For us.
Please vote for us.
Enjoy! Don't forget to vote for us! We had a lot of fun. Whatever I was feeling, the fatigue, the exhaustion, the tiredness just went away like that when we started serving, which was very satisfying at the end of the day.
अच्छा है, मैग्नेट लगाओ. मैग्नेट लगाओ. लगाया? लगाओ, लगाओ, एक ही नहीं
2 मिनट देना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मैं फ्राइज पका रही हूँ, हाँ?
ठीक है. मैग्नेट लगा दो.
तब तक आप ये.
Who all did put the magnet? Everyone did? Yeah. Did you like the food?
The real gratification of a chef is when he sees that expression on the consumer's face when they eat the food, right?
That happiness.
Yeah, and on so many faces,
Absolutely.
this is outstanding.
The fish seems to be good with some nice mayonnaise on it, and yeah, the toast, yeah, it's good. The creamy sauce, I like it.
The food was really good. The girls really put on a lot of effort doing their work. It's really tasty. Thanks.
This sandwich is really yummy. The sausages are very succulent. They've taken attention to detail, and you know, they've put lots of lettuce. So it's not only yummy, but it's like healthy food. Thanks to the German team.
I like the most mustard fish. It's really great, and just love to eat this.
Looks like it's going to be a very, very
Close
shave, right?
Yeah,
Germany, England, head-to-head, like the Premier League and Bundesliga going head-to-head. This is like the Euro Cup happening right here.
I think great food truck, food, and everyone's happy. We're excited. A great day overall.
For now, it's just gratifying to see these girls smiling at the end of a hard day's work.
Yes.
This is outstanding.
The joy of feeding.
Yeah,
It's
absolutely.
amazing.
The joy of feeding.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Sold out!
Sold out, sold out, sold out, sold out, sold out, sold out, sold out.
Thank you!
Thank you. So far, whatever the customers we got here, they all gave us a good review about our food. So, and I guess we are the first one to get sold out. So, hoping for the best. I hope the judges like our dish, and then hope we get out of this black apron. and never come back in the same position ever.
We gave a lot of portions. We are making some more food because a lot of crowd, and it's fun serving them. At the end of the day, cooking makes us happy. So we are cooking more food for more crowd, and there's a lot of crowd. That's the last plate going out, by the way.
Enjoy! Please share it!
Go, Jovan. By the end of the task, there was a little satisfaction in me that, you know, I learned something new, I did something new. It was refreshing because when you face challenges which are new to you, you do not know where you're going. So first you feel the discomfort and then you get through the change, which is a nice thing.